Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Python to the path environment variable on macOS. Usually, when you install Python via Homebrew or download the installer directly from Python.framework and follow the steps, Python automatically gets added to your path. However, if you ever need to do this manually, here is how we do it. Method 1 is for those who prefer not to use the terminal. First, open up Finder. Go to the Go menu at the top and select Home. This is the root directory for your current user. If you don't see any hidden files or folders here, just press Shift-Command-. Now, look for a file named .zshrc or .zprofile if your Mac uses the ZSH shell, or .bashrc if you are using Bash. Right-click the file, select Open With, and open it using any text editor you like. Next, type in the command shown on the screen. I'll also leave these commands down in the description. Here is what this command means. First, it declares the path variable, grabs the value of your old path so you don't lose your existing directories, and appends the Python installation path to it. You need to find your exact Python installation path to put here, and remember that paths are separated by a colon. Right below that, enter the command export path to push this new path variable into the system's global environment. After that, save the file and close it. Finally, close your terminal entirely, then open it back up. Type in which Python 3, and you'll see that the Python path has been updated according to the file you just edited. Method 2 is where we use the terminal. You can check which shell you're currently running by opening the terminal and typing echo $0. If it returns ZSH, it means your Mac is using the ZSH shell. If it returns Bash, then you are on the Bash shell. However, most modern Macs use ZSH, as Bash is an older standard mostly found on older Mac machines. Next, type the command Nano. Nano is a text editor built right into the command line environment. Navigate to your user's home directory by typing a tilde followed by a /, then type the file name .zshrc. If this file doesn't exist yet, Nano will automatically create it for you. Once you're in, move your cursor down to the very last line. Then, input the same 2 lines of code we used in method 1. Just keep in mind that you must replace the directory path with your actual Python installation path. To save your changes, press Ctrl-O, then hit Return to confirm. Finally, press Ctrl-X to exit the Nano editor. Now you need to reload this new path value into the global environment. Do this by typing the source command, specifying the ZSHRC file, and hitting Return. Finally, check your path variable again using the echo command, and you will see that your new Python path has been successfully updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.